Got a lot of guys wanting to see how we attach these new heads that are available at McKenzie, so I'm going to show you real quick how I set up a neck and how we do the head attachment. Got one of the SW12 bodies. I'm going to take a piece of foam neck material and bend it into the shape that we want, and you'll notice I'm going to cut this on an angle, and then I'm going to shave that little tip right off there, just like that. Now I'm going to come in here at the back of the mannequin, insert a 16 gauge annealed wire, secure that. Now I'm going to take the foam neck material, come out, this is important, I'm going to come out right here at the top, just like that. Put the bends into my neck, like so. I'm going to put a real hard bend right here at the top. And loop that under. So we've got our head built, or neck built to accommodate the head. And most of you are conditioned to making and drilling a hole in the back of the head with this foam head part. All we're going to do is simply take a flathead screwdriver at the top of the back of the head. I'm going to poke that in just like that. So normally what we would do is mount our bird, and then when we get the bird on the stand, we would set our eyes, and then we would come in here, and this simply slides right into the back of the head perfectly like that. So once we know that fits, I take hot glue, and we use an amber glue that's really strong, and I squirt that into the back of the head, into that hole. Go in there real deep, make sure it makes good connection. Attach that to the back of the head. And now you have full rotational ability without that foam separating from the back of the neck. It's lightweight, easy to use, and simple. So this is for doing a flying bird. Have a piece of foam neck material. I'm going to measure that out to the proper length that we know that we need. We're going to cut that off right there. I'm going to get a 16 gauge wire. This is an annealed wire. You can use various sizes, but with the lightweight heads, you can go with smaller wires because they're not as heavy. One of the benefits. Once we get that established, we will thread the foam neck material down. This is a little bit different than the standing model. We're going to come out right here instead of at the top. All depends on the pose. Bend that over. This is where our head's going to fit on this form. So what we'll do is we'll take a flathead screwdriver. It's very simple, no drilling. Go right here in the center of the back. Once that hole is made, you would put your skin on here and simply fit that into the back of the socket right there. And then to secure that, we use the amber hot glue, go into the back of the skull and fill that void up with the glue. Slide it on, let it cure, and then you have a lightweight, easy posable neck and head juncture with this new product that we have available at McKenzie.